Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. I just wanted to come to you guys with a quick video on how to do interest lists. So I did a training class on yesterday that I was really pumped up about. And the first thing I thought is, let me do a video so I can show my team how they can effectively use interest groups or lists to manage their business or your business. So how this is going to work for me. We know that when we like a page or when we become friends with someone, we're not going to see everything that they post, right? So I don't know why that is. It's just a Facebook thing. But typically, if it's somebody that you want to make sure that you're seeing everything that they're posting on their posts every day, you literally have to go to their timeline and kind of scroll through and kind of see what they're talking about. But what if you're trying to really follow 10 people? So that's 10 people's pages you got to go to and kind of scroll through and kind of look at what they're talking about. What if you can condense that and just make it be where you can only see the post that those 10 people that you're interested in, you can only see their posts in this little condensed area, like a snapshot. Well, that's basically what I'm going to show you guys how to do. I'm going to be using the interest list as a way of watching potential coaches, because I want to see what they're talking about. I want to be able to go on their page and like and comment things on things that they're posting about as a way of forming those relationships. And this is going to make it easier for me to do that by having everybody that I am thinking would make a potential good coach in this one location. So what I'm going to do is kind of show you guys how you can set up the interest list. So I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. Okay, and as you can see, I'm already here on Facebook. So what you do is you go down here to interest, here at the bottom, you click that, right? And then you're going to go to add interest. Okay, it's going to give you all of these different suggestions and all of that, but we don't want to go with any of that because we're trying to create our own list. So you're going to go up here where it says create list. Okay, and still more suggestions. We're not going to click any of that. You can select people and pages to feature in your list. So that's what we're going to do. And for this list that I am going to be doing for this example, this list is just going to be a list for me personally where I can watch some of the top people in the company so that I can get ideas and things like that from some of the things that they're going to be posted about. So for example, we're going to put in Andrea, if I can type today. Andrea, let me spell that right, Crowder. So there she is right here. We're going to select her name and then we're going to say next. Okay, and then it's going to say list name. What I'm going to do is just call this BeachBody Leaders. I was practicing earlier. So, and you can get this option here where it says who can see the list. You can make it public where anyone can see the list. You can make it only your friends can see the list or only me. Me personally, I want everybody to know that I'm proud of being a coach and all of that. So I'm going to make this list public. Me personally, for somebody that I'm watching as a potential coach, I don't want to make that list public. So I'm going to make it only me because I don't want anybody to go on my page and see my list and get freaked out because they're like, why is she watching my page? So I would rather keep that only me. So for this one, I'm going to make it public. And then all you do is click done. And the screen just refreshed. And what you can do here, and I'm going to refresh again. And you'll see here, you go to interest. I don't know why it, oh, hold on me. I don't know why it is not showing up. So we're going to try that again to see what happens. Maybe I better give it a different name since we had already used that during practice. And we're going to call it Top Beach Body Coaches. Okay, and we're going to click done. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Top Beach Body Coaches. So right here you can see where everything that she has posted in this one location. Okay. And then what I could also do is add other people to the list, like Caleb Thomas. I like him a lot, so I can add him. I'm going to add my coach Mo to the list. I also follow Janelle Summers and Lindsay Matway. Who doesn't want to follow her, right? So basically what I've done is I've added all of these people to this list. And they're right here where I can just literally go through here and see everything that they posted for today in this one location, right? So that's my coach Mo, that's Janelle Summers, there's Lindsay Matway. And like I said, it's good to follow the top leaders in the company as well, because we're trying to be like them. We're trying to get where they are. We don't want to copy what they're doing by all means, because you have to have your own voice and you have to have your own story. But it's good to follow them as a way of just getting ideas. You know, why reinvent the wheel? So you can follow them and get ideas. So anyway, this is just a way that you can set up those interest lists. And like I said, they're real easy to get to. I'm going to refresh my screen and go to interest. And as you can see, there you go. Top Beach Body Coaches, and voila. So you can do that for your potential coaches as well. And like I said, I would just suggest making that page private, because you don't really want everyone to know that you're kind of stalking the page. So anyway, I hope this helps. I hope you will be able to utilize it in your business. If you have any questions for me, just make sure that you reach out, because I know that I'm going to be using it, and I know it's going to help me work my business more efficiently, because I'm always looking for quicker, easier ways to get things done. So bye. Talk to you later.